Changing language in Hearts of Iron 4 is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can change a language in your Hearts of Iron 4 game. So for that, you have to open up your Steam application, or you can also log into your browser. The method I'm going to teach you works for every game. So you just have to click on your profile, and in your profile, you just have to go to account details. And in account details, you just have to go to language preferences. And language preferences, you have to select the secondary language. After selecting the secondary language, you have to select this additional game content languages as well. What it will do is, while downloading the game, it will make sure to download the additional game content. So suppose if you are downloading Hearts of Iron 4, suppose it have Arabic as well. So you just have to check this option. What it will do is, while downloading Hearts of Iron 4, it will download the Arabic as well. So how can we change the language into Arabic? So the first thing was, you have to download the language for that game. Now you have downloaded the language. Now you want to change it. After doing that, you just have to select the Arabic from here as well. What it will do is, it will make sure to change it by default. But in case if it doesn't change the language by default, you just have to open up your game, go to settings, and there will be an option for languages. You just have to go there and select the preferred language that you want. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.